So this is the Huawei Freebuds 4i. This is the continuation of their Huawei Freebuds series, and right now it's on their 4th iteration. This is probably one of my favorite buds to have inside my pocket. So it has active noise cancellation, 10 hours of playback on a full charge. So I have here the white version, and of course it's take a quick look on some quick specs. So it does have active noise cancellation, 10 hours of playback, crystal clear audio. This is probably one of the best feature that I want from the FreeBuds. 4 hours of music playback on a 10-minute charge, and noise cancellation. So we have our blade here, so we'll be opening it up right now. So upon opening, we can see it's pretty small. Yeah, to be honest with you, let's just push it out. Let's see. So here is my FreeBuds. Okay, so it's really nice. Color white is definitely more elegant than other colors. So this is how it looks like. The Huawei Freebuds 4i. So this is the other buds. Pretty nice. So let's first take a quick look on what's inside this box. We have a nice USB-C cable. And inside this one, we probably had our manuals and extra buds. So here are my extra buds, the large size buds and the small size buds. So we have here some documents, which safety information, the warranty card, and of course your user guide. So underneath we can see USB Type-C charging port. At the back it's pretty clean, and yeah, this is the buds that we want to try. So guys, you have seen the unboxing of the Huawei Freebuds 4i. Stay tuned for the full review here on my channel, and so I will see you on my next one.